So hello guys, this is Jake, and today I am going to show you how you can do and make a Christmas card digitally and how you can print it off. So first of all, I am going to delete this. So once you've deleted that, put Christmas card for friends or family 2022. And so you'll get a line. So you can make sure how you can do 2 or 3. So it depends. And so you go on to background, and then next you go on to background, and you pick what it is. So I'll go for example, maybe a like blue. So then you'll duplicate it for that. So that'd be the cover. So this will be the front, this will be the back, then this will be the inside. So let's see this. So if I wanted to do that, let's just put that back to normal. This would be that'd be better. Oh god. So on this, you would put so if you want to insert insert box, you can either go on here or you can go on insert and click here, so it depends. So then you click on that and then you put, for example, Merry Christmas and a happy new year. But that's dull. We cannot just put that. So maybe Merry Christmas could be like a red. So it could be Comic Sans, and then on here could be you could go on some more fonts, so something nice. So I'd go with a Josephine thin, and then I'll do it with a green to light it up. So that's that. But if you want to do the front, so you can create a Christmas tree. So you can do a moon, will be white, and then the sort of like a black moon. Then maybe with, but it's the entire choice, so you can go with that. So right, so if I wanted to do that, so because I'm doing back cover, so yeah. But you can do images from a Christmas tree. So it'd be like a little drawing for a Christmas tree, and you can then you can put a Christmas tree in there. So that'll be the front. So the back you can just put you can put like a little price tag on it as well. So if I put, I don't know, for example, if I put 25p, so I put 25p. So if I put like 25p, but I can also do the background to a nice yellow as well. If I do a nice yellow, at least that's got some, and then maybe, so if we're on here, maybe Christmas, a Christmas slogan as well, and so you could do for back covers of Christmas cards. So maybe you can do that. So back covers of Christmas cards. So you can do. So the back, obviously, you don't need to do, but if you want to do that, you can just put like of Christmas Advent or of a Christmas Advent calendar if you want. You can put pictures in this if you want, but it's up to you. So I'll go with that. Or I could do a star. The star of Bethlehem on there, so I could do it like a, I don't know, like a nice yellow with some basically like a, so also maybe with some snowflakes. I could put snowflakes, and then I could put in there. Then I can. Oh God, that's not right. Okay. Oh God, right. Okay. So maybe. So I basically do put that in. Then you can put like get rid of that. Then put it, and then maybe on here you can put like goodwill to all. That could be one, and then you can do so barcode creator. So you can do a barcode creator. You can do that online if you want. Yeah. So if you want to do a code, then that'd be alright. So code 11, or maybe it's. So you can basically do that. Create sequence and then generate. So basically, this is like the Christmas, and so then you can, you can open it in the folder. Okay, so there's an error with that, but you can do a fake. You can do a fake QR code if you want, or a fake bar code if you want to. So if you want to put that in there, oh God, if you want to put, oh God, I can't access. Okay, but the point is, you can just do whatever you want on this. It's entirely up to your choice. And then maybe you can just put some numbers in. So, for example, 13, 8, 8, and 7. That could be it. But the inside, so you don't have to, so you can leave this one, but you can put season's greetings in there in the cards. Yeah, so you can do season's greetings if you want. Season's greetings, and then in the middle you can do a verse. So if we go, so you can, when you do Christmas verses, you can do the cards, so then you can know what to do. So you can always look at them to give it some inspiration. So yeah. So if I put hope you enjoy all of your Christmas gifts. May the new year be pleasant to you. So if gifts rhymes. So for example, may hope you enjoy all of your Christmas gifts. May the new year be pleasant to you, as it is a lift. And then you can do that all in fancy writing. So you can do all that in fancy writing. So dancing script, so semi-bold, and then that should be it. So I hope you, and then you can print it off. So I hope this is very good, and I'll see you in the next video.